In this presentation, you will learn how to optimize your use of LinkedIn. Remember that you represent who you work for. It is important to show your knowledge and expertise through your profile because sometimes this is where a new client may contact you. In the following slides, you will learn how to elevate your profile, make LinkedIn function for you, and learn the different components of your account that will make you successful in the professional world. Setting up a personal account. If you do not already have a LinkedIn account, please go to linkedin.com to set one up now. It is important to be present on this platform as it is a means for your employers and the company's clients to get to know you, your skills, and your expertise. Elevate your profile by having a high-quality profile picture, cover photo, and a well-written bio. The first step in having a professional LinkedIn profile is caring about how your profile picture and cover photo look. Take a look at John's profile versus Erica's. There are key differences between the two that make the viewer have more confidence in Erica's programmer abilities rather than John's. John's picture may have his whole face in it, but is he asleep? Why is he wearing sunglasses in a recliner? This photo does not inspire trust and confidence that he is a good systems programmer, or even a working professional. While John's cover photo is not bad, it is the default photo for LinkedIn. Bring your page to the next level by adding an engaging cover photo. Be sure that it is not blurry after you have uploaded it. Now let's take a look at Erica's profile. Her profile picture is a clear headshot with her whole unobstructed face in it. From this, I can tell she cares about her professional appearance. Erica's cover photo is vibrant and engaging, giving her profile a little extra something that makes the viewers feel as though she knows what she is doing. When writing a bio for your personal page, you should focus on your qualifications and why someone should give you their business. An example of a bad bio would be this one. The error with it is that it was used in a personal profile, yet it only highlights the user's company. Nowhere does it mention the person's qualifications or traits. An example of a good bio would be Mr. Furdock's. Mr. Furdock does an excellent job of highlighting his qualifications as well as personal traits, telling companies why they should trust him with their business. Be sure to talk about your qualifications and why someone who doesn't know you should give you their business. As a Navitas employee, you must have the following things on your LinkedIn account: a high-quality profile picture with your whole unobstructed face in it, an interesting cover photo, and a short yet descriptive bio that instills trust in your expertise. This list, summarizing all the points previously talked about, is great to refer back to if you are ever asking yourself, does this make me look professional? Knowing how LinkedIn functions is another important aspect of utilizing all that this powerful platform has to offer. This slide will show you where key aspects of a LinkedIn account are, different tasks that can be performed, and what buttons are located where on your home page. You can search for people, jobs, and companies in this search bar. Monitor your home page for activity from those you follow. Ask colleagues to join your network. Get in contact with other business professionals. View your notifications. View and edit your profile. And finally, keep track of all the hashtags and groups you follow. As a Navitas employee, it is important to follow companies that we are in business with. Please refer back to this slide once the presentation has finished in order to go and follow Sanofi, Alnilam, Biohaven, Genentech, and Alexion. Feel free to follow any other Navitas customers that you are currently doing work for. It is important to make LinkedIn function for you. At first glance, some might think it is a Facebook for business professionals, and while that is partly true, it is also a powerful platform that gives you a way to connect with potential clients. Follow hashtags, companies, and personal profiles that are within your industry. This way, the latest news is on your newsfeed the minute you log in. Staying up to date on what your clients and peers are up to can give you an edge on your competition. Be sure to post all your accomplishments as well. You are your best asset, so why not promote that? It is also a great reflection on your company, Navitas. Assure that your profile picture and bio are up to date. That way, your employers get a feeling that they know you. This is especially helpful when you are a remote employee. Knowing how the different components of LinkedIn function is important for optimizing your ability to navigate and use LinkedIn to your advantage. In this section, we will be going over how to set up an engaging profile, monitor and expand your network, messaging etiquette, and viewing your notifications. The most important page on your LinkedIn will be your profile. You can think of this as the storefront to your professional career. The more that is displayed, the more someone wants to engage with you on a professional level. Customizing your page with the Add Profile section button is the key to your success. Remember that customizing your profile is an important step in showing people you are an accomplished expert in your field. To do this, add things like licenses and certificates, showing you are qualified by a third party. Add skills that your peers can then verify so prospects know your skills are confirmed by people you have worked with. Add articles you may have authored to your profile to show just how smart you really are. Add awards, patents, and publications. Things like presenting at a conference can go here. Show that you are part of an organization. Things like memberships to the C-Disc can go here. You are able to have your connections leave recommendations right on your page, and even have your profile in another language. All these things go towards showing people how qualified you truly are. As Navitas employees, there are a few components that you must add to your LinkedIn accounts. If you have authored or co-authored any papers, articles, or research, you must post at least one of them on your LinkedIn. The more that you put, the more experienced you will appear. Put at least 3 certificates that you have earned, things like being SAS certified. If you are a part of any organizations that are associated with pharmaceutical or programmer communities, you must put at least one on your LinkedIn profile. As explained in the previous slide, these add-ins can be found under your Edit Profile button, Add Profile section button, and then under the Accomplishments drop-down menu. Under the My Network tab, you are able to see who you are already connected to, view the hashtags, companies, and groups that you follow, connect to other professionals you may know, and view invitations to join others' networks. Just to reiterate, following hashtags, companies, and groups that are relevant to your industry will put this news right on your front homepage. Keeping up is important for maintaining the most up-to-date relationships with your connections. Under the Messaging tab, you are able to compose a new message to someone inside or outside your connections, see who has already sent you a message, and be sure to reply in a timely manner. It shows that the person you are communicating with, you are a professional and interested in what they have to say. Under the Notifications tab, you are able to see who liked, commented, and shared your posts. You may also see who has recently accepted your invite to connect, who has written a new post, and what your connections may be celebrating. As an employee of Navitas Life Sciences, you are the face of our company. As such, you must have a professional-looking LinkedIn account. Include the following: a headshot as your profile picture, a cover photo, a bio pertaining to your skills, at least 1 published paper, 3 certificates that you have earned, 1 organization that you belong to, and be sure to follow these companies: Sanofi, Alnilam, Biohaven, Genentech, and Alexion. And be sure to update your job status to that of your position within Navitas. Please enjoy updating your LinkedIn profile, and remember that everything you put on LinkedIn is a reflection of you and the company you work for. Thank you.